If you think the world of rangefinder-style digital cameras has completely stagnated while everyone else chases bloated, heavy full-frame bodies, you need to stop whatever you are doing right this second and listen very closely. Behind the heavily guarded doors of Fujifilm's design labs, a legendary machine is quietly being resurrected, and the leaks emerging from the global supply chain are nothing short of monumental. For years, street photographers, documentary purists, and passionate creators have mourned the abrupt discontinuation of the iconic X-Pro series, forced to watch used market prices skyrocket into absurd territory while desperately waiting for a true successor. That long, painful drought is finally coming to an end. Fujifilm is actively preparing the launch of the heavily anticipated Fujifilm X-Pro 4, and the engineering choices they are making behind the scenes are set to completely redefine what a compact, rangefinder-style mirrorless camera can achieve. Today, we are exposing the true reasons behind the multi-year hiatus, the incredible evolution of the hybrid viewfinder, the integration of high-resolution sensor architecture, the bittersweet debates over screen design, and why holding off on your next camera investment is the smartest move you can possibly make. Let us start by addressing the absolute elephant in the room, which is the timeline, because the road to the X-Pro 4 has been filled with intense speculation and shifting schedules. When Fujifilm unceremoniously pulled the plug on the X-Pro 3, leaving a massive void in their lineup, fans expected a rapid turnaround. Instead, years ticked by with absolute silence. Industry insiders and supply chain analysts initially pointed to various windows, but trusted leaks from networks like Fujirumors have clarified the horizon. Fujifilm deliberately pumped the brakes, choosing to prioritize mass-market releases like the XT series and compact fixed-lens siblings first, ensuring that the development team had ample time to address every single ergonomic and technical complaint that plagued the previous generation. The consensus points toward late development refinement stretching into the release window, making the X-Pro for one of the most anticipated and carefully calculated camera launches in modern photographic history. To truly understand why the X-Pro 4 is generating this level of feverish excitement, we have to look at the absolute powerhouse rumored to be sitting inside that weather-sealed, titanium-infused body. The heart of any modern high-end Fujifilm camera is its sensor, and the X-Pro 4 is heavily rumored to adopt the phenomenal 40.2-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor. This is a massive leap forward from the older generation. Pumping 40 million pixels into an APS-C sensor format means you are getting an unprecedented level of fine detail, allowing street photographers to aggressively crop their shots in post